Hi guys, it's Manic Magic here, and this is the lake today. Just doing a bit of a test on my 4K gimbal camera, just how well it works. Not doing any selfie mode today, just doing a panoramic view, and see how well it captures the light, and if I need to have lens covers. Controls the brightness, just like any Phantom 4 does, or any of your Mavericks. We have selected filters because our bright sunny Aussie days can be quite bright and it can wash out the light. So I'll just take some footage and see if it's not washed out, and if it's not washed out, I'll give it a go. So this is Barmera, Lake Bonnie, South Australia. This is what I wake up to every morning. I'm up a little bit later today, but yesterday I was up at 6 o'clock. Today I'm up about 10. Because I had a bit of a sleep in because all my YouTube buddies kept me up last night from 6 in the morning doing live streams. Yes, very puppy. Staffy, yes. Her name is Bella. She's more scared than anything, but when she gets to know you, she's great. Oh, extremely. She goes to nursing homes, she does. Yes, for sure. She goes to nursing homes and she loves little babies. Her name is Zigzag. She's about 14 years of age, so she's an old one, but she tries to keep up with Bella, who's only 1. And she's so exhausted. No, Eddie's place. I come down here every morning. Oh, very good. Yeah, I spoke to him yesterday and offered him a pump to blow up his tube.